laziest ways to make money with AI, starting as a pure beginner with no experience and skill. Have you ever wished money could come in, even when you're feeling lazy? Like, no office, no boss, no camera, no editing, just AI doing most of the work? Number 7 and number 8 will shock you. Number 7. I showed you quick 5 lazy side hustle that you can text immediately and that actually fetch you your first $100 online within 2 weeks of starting, texted and confirmed. And to be honest, making your first 100 boss online can be very hard, so I make a breakdown 6 step-by-step strategies that you can use to bypass the long-time struggle to a short and easy roadmap. So, welcome to Digital Wealth with AI Now. Today, I'm showing you the laziest ways to make money using AI, even if you're starting from the scratch. No skills, no experience, no problem. Let's go from I'm tired to I'm earning while I rest. Before we start, listen first. Lazy doesn't mean zero effort. This video is all about low-effort AI income streams. Not scams, not overnight riches, but real ways to use AI like a smart tool, which means you can start small and grow big. Alright, follow me. Let me hold your hand and show you the best 10 lazy AI money ideas you can start today. 1. AI thumbnail design, the lazy YouTube side hustle, and you can actually start for free. You don't need to be a designer. Just use free AI tools like Canva AI, Kittl AI, or Midjourney. Create clickable thumbnails and sell them to YouTubers. Lazy? Yes. Profitable? Very, very. You can charge $15 to $30 per thumbnail, and once you get clients, they order every week. No talking, just sending files and getting paid. It's one of the laziest AI hustles to start today. 2. Start a faceless YouTube channel using AI. No filming, no face, still make money. Don't like the camera? Perfect. AI is your best friend. Use AI voiceovers, AI scripts, AI stock footage, and boom, full channel without showing your face. This is how people are earning from YouTube automation. You can stay anonymous, work quietly, and let AI do the heavy lifting. 3. AI-powered blog or content writing. No coding, no skills, just AI. AI can write blog posts, SEO articles, product reviews, niche websites. You post them online and make money from ads, affiliate links, or digital products. If you've never written before, AI writes for you. You just guide it. That's it. 4. Build simple websites with AI. Start earning from day one. Small businesses need online presence but don't know how, so you can. Use AI plus no-code tools to build simple websites and charge $100 to $300 per site. You don't need to know coding. AI literally builds everything for you. All you do is sell the service and deliver the final result. 5. Create digital products using AI. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, Seller. Planners, templates, ebooks, cheat sheets. You can create all of these using AI and sell them for passive income. Once the product is made, it sells forever. This is perfect if you want income while you sleep. 6. Use AI to manage social media for others. People are busy. Businesses don't know what to post. That's where you step in with AI. Offer sample services like caption writing, content calendar, repurposing content, scheduling posts, and charge monthly, and AI does 70% of the job for you. This is real digital freelancing powered by AI. 7. Lazy AI side hustles. 5 ideas you can start today. If you want a quick start, here are 5 lazy side hustles you can test immediately. C. AI voiceovers for videos. 2. AI resume writing. 3. AI social media posts. 4. AI ad copywriting. 5. AI presentation slides for students and businesses. You can offer these on Fiverr, Upwork, or even your WhatsApp. 8. From zero to first $100 to $500 month with AI. Your first steps. Let's be real, your first dollar is the hardest. So here's a quick roadmap. Step 1. Pick one AI skill. Step 2. Offer it for free to 1 or 2 people. Step 3. Use their results and feedback as proof. Step 4. Start charging. Step 5. Turn it into a system. Step 6. Earn while you sleep. That is how beginners actually make their first $100 to $500 per month. 9. AI plus affiliate marketing. Fastest way to scale with less effort. With AI, you can create sales copy, email newsletter, landing pages, content funnels, product reviews, all in minutes, not days. This is perfect for affiliate marketers. AI helps you sell without sounding salesy and without overworking. 10. Don't get burned. The truth about lazy AI money. Let's be honest, AI makes things easier, but it doesn't replace you. You still need human touch, strategy, basic marketing, consistency. AI is not magic. It's a tool, and the people who win are the ones who learn how to use it. The world is moving fast, but right now, AI gives you an advantage that others don't have yet. This channel, Digital Wealth with AI Now, is your shortcut. I'll show you how to build smart income streams using AI, even if you're starting from zero. So, if you're serious about building digital wealth, hit that subscribe button. Drop "I'm ready" in the comments, and let's start your AI money journey today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Let's build digital wealth the smart way.